let's continue with Sipti's favorite game, which is introduction.
Yeah. You take my energy all of my energy.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Sipti. I am 27 years. I'm 27 years old. Old. I come from Chiang Mai, Thailand. I'm graduated. I graduated from Ratchapat Chiang Mai University with a degree in graphics design and photography. And photography.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, I worked with my friend. We did event planning and designed many things.
And
designed.
Like what?
Like poster, vinyls, posters, vinyl.
Venues.
Video die cut.
And videos.
Video die cuts.
I don't know die cut, just videos.
And video.
Zzz.
Videos.
Okay.
And after that, I went back to my home to help my mom's business. My mom's business.
Mm-hmm.
I made logos and products for her. And then I thought I wanted to do something new to make more experience.
Not to make.
To get more experience. I found a good job online. I designed many things. I designed many things for them, like posters, logos, videos, and sometimes accounting.
And did accounting for them. And then they went bankrupt, right? I don't know why. No. Bankrupt.
เงินหายแล้วก่อน
When you were no more money. Bankrupt.
Like ล้มละลาย when people no money.
Not poor. Bankrupt means no money left. The business fails.
You can't do anything more.
Yeah. It
ล้มละลาย
closes. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
In my free time, I like to learn English from movies or songs, and I like to exercise very much.
Yeah. So you don't want to repeat though. We don't want to say logos, posters, videos, and then again logos, posters, videos. No, what you would do is the first time you should say, I did a lot of design for posters, and then the next time say logos and videos. So split it up. You don't have to tell people that they're all the same in each job. You can split them up. So for example, if I have 3 jobs, I don't say at job A I did painting, editing, and carving. And then at job B, I did painting, editing, and carving, and job C, painting, editing, carving. No, I would say at job A, I did painting, at job B, I did carving, and at job C, I did editing, right? So just split them up. And then we can hear the accent a little bit because you still skip the R's. So design, flower, not flower, right? But the speed is good. It's a little bit too fast between the sentences. So English people don't say, I went to school at Ratchapat Chiang Mai University, then I graduated with a degree, then I went to... The connection between the sentences is too fast.
It's hard.
People slow down at the end of the sentence. They don't jump to the next sentence. They slow down. That's when they have a chance to think before they start the new sentence, right? The fast part should be in the middle of the sentence, and then at the end, there's a pause. Then when you think about what you're going to say next. So I can tell that you have practiced it. It doesn't sound natural because of the speed. But the rest is pretty good. I would say 6.5 in my opinion. It's clear. There's a little bit of trouble with the R.
TR, L.
But it's not horrible. It's easy to understand, and that's good. The speed is good. There's a lot of sentences. There's a lot of words. You didn't repeat anything. So it's pretty good. But the timing of the sentences has to be a little bit better to get up above 7.
Okay. Hello, my name is Sipti. I am 27 years old. I come from Chiang Mai, Thailand, and I graduated from Ratchapat Chiang Mai University with a degree in graphics design and photography. And after I graduated, I worked with my friend. We did event planning and made posters. And after that, I had to go back to my home to help my mom business. I did logos and products for her. I worked for 6 months, and then I thought I wanted to find something to do to help me get more experienced. So I found a good job online. I worked many things for them, like design work, video. Sometimes I had to do accounting for them. In my free time, I like to learn English from movies or songs, and I like to exercise very much.
That's okay. I can still hear. I don't mind the mistakes. People make mistakes when they talk. That's okay. When you stop and you say, like when you did with your mom, you said, I worked with my mom for 6 months, and after that, that's okay. That's not a mistake. That's a problem.
I said after that many times.
Yeah, but that's a little bit of a problem. But it's not a problem to make a mistake. The problem is when you make a mistake that is wrong. If you make a mistake and then you just stop and you fix it, that's okay. Nobody cares. People make mistakes when they speak all the time. That's not a problem. You don't have to have a perfect speech where there's no mistakes. That doesn't matter. What matters is when you say, if you start your sentence and you say, I is the Sipti, the person, the Chiang Mai, the me, the you. No, that doesn't work. But if someone says, I went to Chiang Mai, sorry, I went to Ratchapat Chiang Mai University. That doesn't matter. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be correct. And that's the difference. Don't worry about saying something and then saying, oh no, actually that's not true. Don't worry about that. Just worry about the sentences being correct and that people understand them. Making mistakes when you speak, I mean, sorry. I mean, that doesn't matter. That's not a problem. That was pretty good. I would say 6.5, almost a 7. It's more exciting this time. You're trying to smile, trying to have fun, just enough, and that's good. Not using too much energy. You know, you're not trying to, and then I went to the university. No, right? It has to be calm. It has to be like someone would really talk. You look at me when you're speaking. Many people don't. Remember, a lot of people, they go like this. I used to teach people to have interviews because they really had job interviews. Somebody doesn't have any job interviews right now, but a lot of people that I taught needed help with job interviews because they went to job interviews and the people said, I like you, you're smart, but your English is horrible and we're not going to hire you. And so then they would come to me and they would say, I need to practice. And so a lot of people that I had to help had trouble with job interviews. And a lot of problems that they had were that they were scared and that they would look down like this. They would say, hi, I'm from Russia, and
Russia.
I'm from so
Big, tough guy.
Well, some people are scared if in a job interview. So Sipti is looking in the right direction. You don't want to stare at people also though. You know, some people are like, hi, my name is Tom and I'm from Brazil.
German guy.
Right, German, right, exactly. you don't want to be scaring people. So that's good. The speed is okay. Now, there's still some trouble with designing. There's some extra there's some extra D's.
It's
on
hard
some
when
of,
in the end of
not
word.
in the end, at the end.
At the end word
At the end.
of. At the end the.
D. Yeah.
At the end the word.
Of
Word.
the words.
Of the word. The word.
Words.
Words.
Yeah, there's a couple extra D's in there sometimes, and the L's and R's are
Very
hiding sometimes, but it's pretty good. It's better than
Not easy to
it's
do.
better than most people that I used to help. I would say better than 80% of people. It's pretty good. But remember, this has taken now, 6 months to do. So it's not a real example of Sipti speaking. But first we have to see what it sounds like to speak correctly before we can fix the rest of the problems that we have.